Ever pondered about the dark secrets that the depths of Loch Ness might be hiding? In the heart of the Scottish Highlands, there lies a body of water known as Loch Ness. It's not its size or depth that has kept it in the annals of history, but rather the enigmatic creature that purportedly lurks beneath its dark waters. A creature that has mystified and captivated the world for centuries, known as the Loch Ness Monster, or Nessie for short. The Loch Ness Monster is more than just a mythical creature. It's a symbol of the unknown, a testament to the mysteries that our world still holds. Tales of this elusive beast date back to as early as the 6th century, with numerous sightings recorded throughout the years, each account only adding to the enigma, painting a picture of a creature unlike anything known to man. But what is Nessie? A living dinosaur, perhaps? A giant eel, as some suggest? Or maybe a mere figment of our collective imaginations? Over the years, a multitude of theories have been put forth in an attempt to explain the Loch Ness phenomenon. Some rooted in science, others in folklore and mythology. Yet despite all the conjectures, the question remains, what truly lies beneath the dark waters of Loch Ness? The lack of concrete evidence has done little to quell the fascination. In fact, it has only fueled it. The mystery of Nessie has transcended beyond the realm of cryptozoology, permeating popular culture and sparking countless debates among skeptics and believers alike. It's a puzzle that, despite our best efforts, we've yet to solve. But what if the monster isn't just a myth? What if there's a darker, more sinister truth hiding beneath the surface? As we delve deeper into the unsolved mystery of Loch Ness, we'll explore a theory that veers off the beaten path. A theory that suggests that Nessie isn't a relic from the past, but rather a product of a future that we're just beginning to understand. So buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into the unknown. The tale of the Loch Ness Monster didn't just appear out of nowhere. No, it was born on a seemingly average day in the summer of 1933. George Spicer and his wife were enjoying a peaceful drive near the loch when they saw something that would forever change their lives, and the lives of many who would come after them. Imagine this, if you will. A tranquil Scottish afternoon, the sun casting long shadows across the ancient Highland landscape. Suddenly, out of the corner of your eye, you catch a glimpse of something so extraordinary. It defies all logic and understanding. A creature, unlike anything you've ever seen before. The Spicers described it as having a large body, about 4 feet high and 25 feet long, and a long, wavy, narrow neck, slightly thicker than an elephant's trunk. Its skin was a dark gray or black. The creature crossed their path, lumbered across the road, and disappeared into the loch. News of their sighting spread like wildfire. The world was captivated by this strange, elusive creature residing in the depths of Loch Ness. How could such a beast exist in our modern world? Theories began to circulate, each more fantastic than the last. Was it a remnant of the dinosaur age? An unknown species of sea creature? Or was it something more sinister? The Spicer sighting wasn't just an isolated incident. It was the spark that ignited the flame of what would become a global phenomenon. The Loch Ness Monster, affectionately known as Nessie, became a symbol of the unknown, the unexplained, the mysterious. This was merely the beginning of a legend that would capture the world's imagination for decades to come. A legend born not from fiction, but from a sighting so real and so frightening, it would forever blur the lines between reality and the unimaginable. The birth of a legend, the birth of Nessie, the Loch Ness Monster. The Spicers were not alone in their encounter. Indeed, following the infamous Spicer sighting, the Loch Ness Monster's fame grew exponentially. Reports of encounters surged, each one as intriguing and mystifying as the last. It seemed the murky waters of Loch Ness were teeming with secrets, and the world was eager to uncover them. Among these sightings, there were two that stood out as particularly noteworthy. The first occurred in 1933, when a local man named Hugh Gray captured what is believed to be the first photograph of the elusive creature. The grainy image depicted a blurry, serpentine figure, eerily similar to the Spicers' chilling description. It sent shockwaves through the public, fueling the ever-growing fascination with Nessie. Then, in 1934, came the infamous surgeon's photograph. This image, taken by a respected British doctor, showed a creature with a long neck, reminiscent of a prehistoric plesiosaur. It was a sight that both intrigued and terrified, cementing Nessie's place in the annals of unexplained phenomena. But as the number of sightings grew, so did the questions. Why was this creature only being spotted now? And why were the sightings concentrated around Loch Ness? Was it simply a case of mass hysteria, or was there more to this mystery than met the eye? These recurring sightings only deepened the mystery. But could there be a sinister explanation behind it all? Amidst all the theories, one stands out for its sheer audacity: the Loch Ness Monster, a genetic experiment gone wrong. This hypothesis, though somewhat unconventional, is not entirely unheard of in the realm of conspiracy theories. Imagine, if you will, a group of ambitious scientists in the mid-20th century. They're on the cusp of a groundbreaking discovery, dabbling in the then nascent field of genetic engineering. Their goal? To bring back a prehistoric creature from extinction. And not just any creature, but the one we now know as Nessie. The theory suggests that these scientists extracted DNA from preserved prehistoric samples, possibly from the plesiosaur, a dinosaur believed to have traits similar to the descriptions of the Loch Ness Monster. Using this ancient DNA and cutting-edge techniques, they set out to recreate this long-extinct creature. But as with any scientific experiment, there were risks. And it's here, the theory suggests, that things went awry. The creature they created was larger, more powerful, and more unpredictable than they had anticipated. Unable to control their creation, they had no choice but to release it into the depths of Loch Ness, where it has remained ever since. This theory, while seemingly outlandish, is not without some basis in reality. In the last century, we've seen remarkable advancements in genetic engineering. Scientists have successfully cloned animals, and there's ongoing research into de-extinction, the process of bringing extinct species back to life. Could it be possible that such an experiment was conducted in secret decades ago, resulting in the creature we now call the Loch Ness Monster? Whilst it might sound far-fetched, the possibility cannot be entirely dismissed. After all, we live in a world where science often blurs the line between reality and fiction. Could Nessie be a remnant of a long-gone era? A living testament to the audacity of human ambition and the unpredictable nature of scientific experimentation? Only time will tell. So what could be the truth behind this legendary creature? As we dive deeper into the murky waters of Loch Ness, we find ourselves grappling with a strange and unsettling conclusion. The Loch Ness Monster, affectionately known as Nessie, might not be a prehistoric relic or a mere figment of our collective imagination. Instead, it could be something far more sinister. A genetic experiment gone wrong. The evidence supporting this theory is as fascinating as it is chilling. Let's weigh it, shall we? First, there's the strange, unidentifiable nature of Nessie herself. The creature's size, shape, and elusive behavior don't match any known aquatic or semi-aquatic species. Could this be a result of a genetic anomaly? An experiment aimed at creating a new species that somehow spiraled out of control? Then, there's the location. Loch Ness is remote, isolated, and incredibly deep. It's the perfect place for a clandestine scientific operation. Could it be that Nessie is not a natural inhabitant of the loch, but rather a science experiment that was released or escaped into its depths? Of course, this theory is not without its detractors. Skeptics argue that the lack of concrete evidence, no physical remains, no irrefutable photographs, no official documents, makes the genetic experiment theory as speculative as any other. And they're not wrong. The debate rages on, fueled by tantalizing sightings, intriguing sonar readings, and a relentless human desire to solve the mysteries of our world. But here's the thing: absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. Just because we have yet to find definitive proof doesn't mean the theory is invalid. After all, the world's oceans and lakes are teeming with species yet to be discovered, and science is constantly evolving, pushing the boundaries of what we believe to be possible. So, is Nessie the result of a genetic experiment gone wrong? We don't have a definitive answer. Not yet. But that doesn't mean we should dismiss the theory. It's a beacon, a reminder that we should always question, always explore, always seek the truth. Until we uncover the secrets of Loch Ness, the monster will remain a symbol of the unknown, a testament to the terrifying power of science unchecked, lurking beneath the surface of our understanding. As we surface from the depths of Loch Ness, we are left with more questions than answers. The waters may have receded, but the mystery of Nessie remains. It's a mystery that captivates us, challenges us and keeps us coming back for more. But isn't that the beauty of it all? The quest for knowledge, the thrill of the unknown, the endless pursuit of the truth. It's what drives us as humans, as explorers, as seekers of the unexplained. So we continue to question, to investigate, to delve deeper into the murky waters of the unknown. Because, in the end, isn't that what life is all about? The journey, not the destination. The questions, not the answers. The mystery, not the solution. And as we continue on this journey, we invite you to join us, to question with us, to explore with us, to seek the truth with us. Remember, the world is full of mysteries waiting to be solved, and the only way to uncover the truth is to keep asking questions. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on this exciting journey of discovery. Because the truth is out there, waiting to be found, and maybe, just maybe, together we can solve the mystery of the Loch Ness monster. Until then, stay curious. After all, the greatest stories are yet to be told.